pronouns. We have mine, yours, me, my, mine, you, your, yours. Yes? Then, with the same pattern, we have he, him, his, she, her, hers. He is one finger, she is two. He, him, his, she, her, hers. And then we have we, our, ours, and they, their, and theirs. And then we have them, them. Do you see the Y to the M? Them, then, thumb to your first finger, then, and last is but, like that. Okay, what am I signing? Let's do that again. Ready? Okay, what did I say? And a gold star goes to whoever can tell me what I did a little wrong in that first sentence. Okay, see you in lesson number 5. Bye-bye.